Hey everyone, it's Excellent Dude again with another Excel how-to video. In this super quick video, I'll show you how to calculate the number of days, months, and years between two dates in Excel. Let's get started. I have some sample dates that I'll use for this demonstration. We'll be using the date_diff function. It will calculate the number of completed days, months, or years between two dates. In the days field, we will begin with equals date_diff. You'll notice that we get a number of suggested functions, but oddly enough, date_diff isn't one of them. But don't worry, it works. Next, we'll add an opening bracket, enter the start date, followed by a comma, and then the end date. Then let's add another comma and enter quotes, D, quotes, which stands for days. Add the closing bracket and click enter. Now we can copy this formula to the other rows by selecting the cell and looking for the autofill handle at the bottom right of the cell and double-clicking. Now we'll calculate the number of months between two dates. The formula begins the same as the previous one, so we'll enter equals date_diff, opening bracket, start date, comma, end date, comma, and this time we'll enter quotes, M, quotes, then closing brackets, and click enter. And finally, to calculate the number of years between dates. As you can guess, the formula will be essentially the same as the days and the months, with only the change being instead of D for days or M for months, it will now be Y for years. I'll click enter and copy the formula to the remaining rows. Well, that's it for this video. As you can see, calculating the number of days, months, or years between two dates is pretty easy to do. If you find my videos informative, please give this video a thumbs up. And if you like learning about Excel, please consider subscribing and clicking the notification icon to be notified when I release new videos. Or if you'd like to learn a topic that I haven't covered yet, please leave your suggestions in the comments section below. Thanks again and have an excellent day.